Hello students, welcome back. So now in this session we will be discussing the concept of disjunction, that is OR. You will get to know how do we prepare the truth table for OR operator, and then we will also discuss the difference between inclusive OR and exclusive OR. Since there is a very minute difference between the two, so just be a bit careful. And then finally we will be discussing the concept of negation, and we will be discussing the truth tables also for the same. So stay tuned. Okay, so now that we have discussed conjunction, now we will be discussing disjunction. So disjunction, or it is also known as alternation. Compound statements P and Q are combined by the connective OR. Like we had and its symbol was this. Now we have OR and its symbol is this. This is conjunction and this is disjunction. Right? So you need to remember that when we have this sign, it means and this sign means OR. This is important. So disjunction or alternation, compound statements P and Q are combined by the connective OR. Then the compound statement denoted as P or Q, this is read as P or Q, so formed, is called a disjunction. Example, two lines in a plane either intersect at one point or they are parallel. Sometimes we use the connective either or to obtain P or Q, right? So when either you use generally either or you have it just as or. Two lines in a plane either intersect at one point or they are parallel. So this is an example of disjunction. We'll also discuss the truth table for OR as we discussed for AND, that is conjunction. Further, we have some important points on disjunction. A compound statement with an OR is true when one component statement is true or both the component statements are true. So when we discussed conjunction, that is AND, we discussed that in AND you need both the statements to be true. P as well as Q both have to be true. Only then will the truth value of P and Q would be true. But in case of OR, as you know, the meaning of OR is either one of the two has to be true. So in this case, if P is true, Q is false, you will have the truth value of P or Q as true. So either of the two has to be true, then the truth value is true, else it will be false. In fact, even if both of them are true, then also the truth value would be true. A compound statement with an OR is false when both the component statements are false. So let's discuss the truth table for P or Q.